Hello students. In this session, we will discuss the fundamentals of electricity. By the end of this session, you will be able to discuss basic electric fundamentals, discuss different sources of electricity generation, differentiate between conductors, insulators and semiconductors. Electric fundamentals. Electricity is briefly defined as the flow of electric charge or electrons. Electrons are moving around the nucleus in orbits and carry a negative charge. An equivalent number of electrons and protons are available in each atom. The number of electrons and protons in the atom can determine the type of material and how electricity is conducted. An atom has neutral charge because an atom consists equal number of negative charged electrons and positive charged protons in it. Conductors, semiconductors and insulators. Conductors. The materials that allow the flow of electrical current in one or more directions is known as a conductor. A common electric conductor is a metal wire. Commonly used conductors include silver, aluminium, gold, cast iron, steel, copper. Insulators. It is a material whose interior electric charge doesn't flow easily and therefore makes it almost impossible to conduct an electric charge under the influence of an electric field. Examples of insulators include rubber, nylon, plastic, porcelain, fiberglass, ceramic, wood, and ebonite. Semiconductors. These are hard chemical element or compound which can conduct electricity under some specific situations. This characteristic makes it an excellent source for the control of electrical current. Examples of semiconductors: silicon, carbon, germanium. How electrons move through a conductor. A positive charge is located on one end of the conductor and a negative charge is placed on the opposite end of the conductor. The following event occurs if a source of power such as a battery is connected to the end of the conductor. An imbalance of surplus electrons at one side of the circuit and a lack of electrons at the opposite side of the circuit is required for the flow of current. The negative charge will repel the free electrons from the atom of the conductor, whereas the positive charge on the opposite end of the conductor will attract electrons. As a result of this attraction of opposite charges and repulsion of like charges, electrons will flow through the conductor. Sources of electricity. Friction. When different materials are rubbed together, the friction generates and causes electrons to be transformed from one to the other. Heat. Thermoelectricity is defined as when pieces of two dissimilar metals are connected together at both ends and one junction is heated, then the current permeates through the metal. Light. The light energy is shifted to the free electrons of the metal when certain metals are exposed to light. This extra energy breaks the electron free from the metal surface. Chemical. A change is produced in potential or voltage when two dissimilar materials, usually metals, placed in a conducting and reactive chemical solution. It is the basis of automotive battery and this principle is called electrochemistry. Magnetism. If a conductor is moved through a moving magnetic field or a magnetic field near a conductor, electricity is created. The session ends here. Let us have a quick recap before we proceed to the next topic. After studying this unit, the participants will be able to understand the electricity and how electricity is generated, understanding of conductors, insulators and semiconductors, understanding of how a conductor conducts electricity, know about different sources of electricity.